Olympic track star Usain Bolt teams up with SprintRay for a dental outreach program. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have the full details of this to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. He might be off the tracks, however, he still continues to shine. Usain Bolt, the Jamaican track star. In a post on the official social media platform of Usain Bolt, he stated that he's teaming up with SprintRay and University Hospital in order to do a dental outreach program for the community that he grew up in. This is not the first time through his foundation that Usain Bolt is offering a helping hand to the general public.
Hi everyone, Usain here. So, I'm having a dental outreach event at Shared Content, my hometown, on August 27th and the 28th. I'm teaming up with SprintRay, which is my sponsor, and also the University at West Indies. So I'm encouraging everybody to come out and to get a checkup. You understand, it's very important, and that's just my way of giving back. So remember, Shared Content, August 27th and 28th. Alright, so come out. Looking forward to seeing you guys.
Usain St. Leo Bolt was born on August 21st, 1986 and is a retired Jamaican sprinter, widely considered the greatest sprinter of all time. He is a world record holder in the 100 meter, 200 meter and the 4x100 meter relay. He is an 8-time Olympic gold medalist, and Usain Bolt is the only sprinter to have won the Olympic 100 and 200 meter title at 3 consecutive Olympics, 2008, 2012 and the 2016 Olympics. He has also won 2 4x100 relay medals and has gained world fame for the double sprint victory in the world record at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.